Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Roof Snake is probably one of the most versatile tools for any homeowner or professional roofer, making quick work of cleaning gutters, inspecting hard-to-reach areas, and even retrieving lost items from your roof. This video will cover everything you need to know about choosing the right roof snake for your needs, from materials and length to features and price points, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific roofing tasks and budget. Number 5. PacTool RS501 Roof Snake. Tired of struggling with old roofing shingles? This innovative tool makes shingle removal and installation faster and safer than ever before. It's designed to replace worn-out shingles quickly and easily. Say goodbye to inefficient and time-consuming methods. With its unique design, it helps you install new shingles accurately, without damaging surrounding shingles or your fingers. This handy tool features a patented offset nail slot for precise nail alignment, ensuring a professional finish every time. Its claw tip easily loosens and removes old nails and shingles, making the whole process much simpler. No more struggling with flat bars. Forged from high-strength steel, it's built to withstand the rigors of professional roofing work. It's a tool you can rely on. For decades, PacTool has been a leader in construction tools. This tool embodies our commitment to quality and innovation. What we like. It's forged from high-strength steel, featuring a patented offset nail slot for precise nail alignment. If you need a durable tool for efficient shingle removal and installation, this is your best bet. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike will appreciate its robust design and ease of use. What people say. It was the right size and shape to find the old nails and easily remove them. It was also ideal to hammer new nails into place without bending and breaking the old brittle shingles. This tool helps prevent shingle damage when installing the last row. Prevents you from overbending the last row to hammer in the nails. The leverage is incredible, and it really saves your back. This thing is built tough and feels like it'll last forever. Number 4. Magnetic Roof Shingle Remover. This tool makes removing and installing shingles much easier and more efficient. It's made from high-strength steel for durability and long life. It features a magnetic slot to securely hold nails, ensuring accurate placement and alignment during shingle repair. This saves you time and effort. The unique design protects both your shingles and your hands from damage while installing nails. Work safely and confidently. The curved lever provides leverage for easy nail removal without damaging the shingles. It reduces strain and makes the job less tiring. This 2-in-1 tool simplifies your roof repair projects. Remove old shingles, pull out nails, and install new shingles, all with one tool. What we like. This tool boasts a magnetic nail slot for secure nail holding and an arc lever for effortless nail pulling. If you value efficiency and safety during shingle repair, this 2-in-1 tool is perfect for you. Its innovative design streamlines the entire process, saving you time and effort. What people say. Works well and is good on tight-to-reach places. Have used it on some minor roof repairs and handiwork around the house. Well made and sturdy. The tool functioned as expected, but the paint broke off after the first nail. A small tool that's handy to have on hand, as it can make shingle replacement a little easier. It has a more aggressive bend in it that seems to work better in tight spaces for removing nails. But the real advantage would be in the end that holds the nail. It offers a unique way of holding a nail that allows you to set and seat the nail without bending a shingle and possibly splitting it. Number 3. Upgraded Roof Shingles Repair Tool. This innovative tool makes roof repairs easier and safer than ever before. It's designed to help you tackle even the toughest shingle replacement jobs with confidence. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 1-year quality warranty with unconditional refunds or replacements for any issues. Your satisfaction is our priority. The unique nail slot securely holds the nail, preventing accidental hammer strikes. It also helps align nails perfectly, protecting your shingles. This tool's clever design makes removing nails a breeze. Simply slide the claw under the nail, twist, and use the lever to pull it out with minimal effort. It's made from durable steel with a rust-resistant coating, ensuring it will be a reliable companion for all your roofing projects. This tool is built to withstand years of use. This handy tool lets you replace 3-tab shingles without damaging the ones above. It's the perfect solution for quick and efficient repairs. What we like. It features a nail slot to protect your fingers and a labor-saving lever for easy nail removal. If you're looking for a tool that prioritizes safety and reduces effort, this one is for you. The added peace of mind of a warranty makes it a smart choice. Number 2. SDSNTE Roof Shingle Tool. This tool makes removing old shingles a breeze. It's fast, efficient, and prevents damage to your roof, saving you time and effort. The unique claw design easily pulls nails, protecting your fingers and the surrounding shingles from damage. It's safer and more efficient than using a hammer alone. The special nail slot guides nails for easy removal, protecting your fingers. It's designed for safety and efficiency. It's made from durable 4140 steel with a protective coating. This ensures it can withstand tough jobs and resists rust for long-lasting use. You get one high-quality roof shingle tool. We also offer dedicated customer support to answer any questions you may have. What we like. This tool is designed for efficient roof repair and safe nail removal. If you prioritize a smooth and safe shingle replacement process, this is the tool for you. Its thoughtful design minimizes risks and maximizes efficiency. What people say. Great tool automatically puts the nail where it needs to be for shingles. Made the nailing easy. This tool feels pretty solid and the 3/4 roofing nails I used were easy to nail down. I only had to lift the roofing shingles 1.5 to get the nails in and the tool held the nails without any problem. Number 1. Roof Shingle Remover Tool. It's made of high-strength steel, ensuring durability and ease of use. Its portable size makes storage simple, and the rust-proof coating guarantees longevity. The nail slot head helps position nails effortlessly, while the claw tip swiftly removes them from shingles. This tool simplifies the entire process. Replacing shingles, whether one or many, becomes quick and easy. It saves you time and effort by streamlining nail removal and placement. This tool is essential for roofing repairs, making shingle removal and installation a breeze. It minimizes damage to existing shingles, especially on older roofs. We stand behind our product. If you're unsatisfied for any reason, contact us for a replacement or refund. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Made of premium high-strength steel, it offers a handy size for easy use and storage. If you're looking for a durable and convenient tool for efficient shingle repair, this is an excellent option. Its robust construction and thoughtful design make it a valuable asset for any roofing project. What people say. Being offset wasn't sure how it would drive nails, it worked great. Repair leaking shingles. Gets the job done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.